Here we come to the parking garage elevator at the Presidio garage in downtown Tucson, Arizona. These are Otis. This is an Otis, but it's a I think it's relay logic. Indicator bell doesn't work. Indicator doesn't work. Very nice cab. I think these are Autotronic. Old Otis, capacity 2,500 pounds.
I hear relays.
Yep, it's Autotronic. Let's see if we get classic leveling. Yeah. Let's go down to C. Door closes when you door close button works. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Custom fixtures. 88. Is this 88 or not 88? Yep, 88. Here we're on A.
Or C.
C.
Forwards or backwards.
Yeah, classic leveling. Let's go up to P. And the door closes pretty much instantly. Here we go. You can hear the relays and the motor generator. Installed in the 70s or 80s.
Basically, I heard the stuff down there. It might be a bottom drive.
Yeah, it is bottom drive, it sounds like. Otis. Otis interlock. Yep, Otis interlock. Otis door equipment. Anyways, here it goes. And that's it.